So here I am heading to Chesterton to pick up a robot ER4U, and at the same time my car is about to turn 100,000 miles on itself.
In half a mile, take exit 26A for Indiana 49 South toward Chesterton, Valparaiso.
And it's interesting that the where I'm heading is almost exactly gonna turn my car 100,000.
Take exit 26A. In a quarter mile, merge onto Indiana 49 South.
It's very interesting how this is happening. That I'm gonna turn 100,000 miles in the middle of nowhere in Indiana.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto County Road 1275 North, Indian Boundary Road.
Zero 999 99999 99999 99999, and of course I gotta stop. All right, when are you gonna be 100?
Take the next right onto County Road 1275 North, Indian Boundary Road, then continue straight to stay on County Road 1275 North. Continue straight to stay on County Road 1275 North, Indian Boundary Road.
Well, I was coming here to...
In a quarter mile, keep left to stay on Indian Boundary Road.
But looks like gas in Indiana is more expensive than it is in Wisconsin. Son of a gun. Or maybe because it's close to the highway. Okay, already it's 999. When are you gonna turn 100? Got it.
Keep left to stay on Indian Boundary Road, then turn left onto North Calumet Road.
God.
Turn left onto North Calumet Road. In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
That is amazing. I'm going to be at 100,000 miles. Yeah! 100,000 miles. All zeros. And this is where it happened. A weird town in the middle of nowhere, Indiana. Train standing there.
Your destination is on the left.
It is on the left. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, now I just have to find a way to turn.